If you're interested in becoming a member of the channel, click the join button below my videos. If you're an iOS user, click the link in the info box and you'll be able to sign up from there. Hey guys, this is Evie. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did this super colorful, extra shimmery nails. So for this look, I'm using Long Hair Pretty Nails Clear and Natural Pink Acrylic, along with this gorgeous rave glitter, and this is available on my website. I will leave links to everything that I use down below, and I'll be applying everything with the Long Hair Pretty Nails number 8 oval Kolinsky brush. Alright, so I'll be applying these BU long stiletto natural tips. And for you guys who don't know, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I broke my nail all the way down to the white meat, y'all. And it hurts. So I do have it wrapped up in some paper towel because the band-aids kind of hurt when they're on there. So the paper towel kind of doesn't touch it, but kind of keeps it protected. So it does look crazy, but it's effective. So I am going to go ahead and apply size tips that I need. And I'm going to be applying them with the IBD brush on nail glue. So this is after all of the tips are on, and I just love the shape and the fit of these tips. They are my favorite. So now I'm just going to take my nail clippers and trim these down. And I'm also going to fix up the shape, kind of, you know, do some pre-shaping before I go ahead and apply the acrylic. So first I go in with the natural pink acrylic, and I'm applying that to my nail bed area, and I'm just going to bring that over the tip just a little bit. And this is a new color in the Long Hair Pretty Nails acrylic collection. The other colors in the collection are more intense pink or more shimmery, and I know everybody is not into all of that. So I wanted to introduce a color that is a light pink, that is natural, and that can just go with anything and not be too overpowering. So that is what the purpose of the natural pink is, and I really love this color. It is so beautiful. So yeah, it's probably going to be one of my favorites. Alright, so after applying that, I'm going in with a bit of clear acrylic, and I dip that into the rave glitter, and that is how I'm applying that to the tip. I'm also trying to create like an ombre effect with it, have it more dense on the tip, and then kind of have it more sparse towards the nail bed area. This glitter is so beautiful, and this is one of the new glitters that are now available on the Long Hair Pretty Nails website. I wanted to go ahead and just revamp all the glitters. I wanted the glitters to be just more beautiful, more in your face, more shimmery, more holographic. So yeah, I did a complete makeover of all the glitters on the website. So we do have some new glitters. We have 25 new glitters. So we will be having some closeout sales of the older glitters just to get rid of our inventory that we have in stock. And yeah, we're going to continue with these beautiful colors. I really love these glitters. So for the ring finger and the middle finger, I am just going to do the entire nail natural pink acrylic. For the index finger, I'm going to repeat the thing I did for the pinky fingernail. I'm putting that beautiful rave glitter on the tip, creating a ombre effect with it. Same thing for the thumbnail. Now I did make my thumbnail a bit shorter than the rest of the nails, and that is just for, you know, practical sake. I don't typically like to have my thumbnails super long because, you know, I do function outside of YouTube with these nails. So my thumbs are always just a tad bit shorter. Alright, so once all of that is applied, I'm just going to swing back to the glitter tip nails and apply the clear acrylic, and this is just to seal in all of that glitter, to also build up the nail and to make sure that there is enough thickness of the clear to where when I get to filing, I won't file into any of this beautiful glitter. Alright, so this is how the nails look after all of the acrylic has dried. And now I'm just going to do my shaping and filing. As always, I like to start off with my hand file and do majority of the shaping and filing. So this is after all of my hand filing is done, and now I'm going to take my medium grit safety bit and I'm going to work that around the cuticle areas, and also doing any debulking where I see fit. But this is mainly just to really seal in those cuticle areas. And yes, I am holding this a little weird because I usually hold it with my index finger and my thumb, but I had to hold it with my middle finger and my thumb, so it is a little weird, but you know, I just got the job done. Alright, so this is how the nails look after they have been filed, shaped, and buffed, and I also wiped off the dust using my alcohol pads. So now I'm going to go in with a large bead of clear, and we're just going to place some chunky crystals. These chunky crystals are now available on my website. I will leave links to everything down below. So yeah, I'm just going to apply more acrylic and apply some colorful Swarovskis and also some iridescent crystals. I decided to go ahead and use acrylic because I just didn't want to deal with the stickiness of the bling gel. So I applied all of these crystals with small beads of clear acrylic. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat, and I'm going to apply this to all of the nails. And as you can see, once I apply that top coat, oh my god, this glitter is just so pretty. So yeah, for the middle finger, I'm just applying the gel top coat to the nail, but not applying it over any of the crystals because we don't like gel top coat over the crystals. And then I use a smaller brush to go ahead and make sure that gel top coat is getting into all of the spaces and glossing everything up. And before I cure, I'm just going to apply some small iridescent crystals. And we're going to cure this in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So this is what the nails look like after they are done curing. I allowed them to cool down. I'm applying cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. These nails are so gorgeous. I just love the glitter, I love the bling, and I love the natural pink. I think everything just came together very, very well. And I also like the slightly shorter length because, you know, a girl loves some long nails, but this is a nice length as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Check out all the new glitters and crystals. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will talk to you in my next one.